how to restore deleted WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. So if you want to restore deleted WhatsApp backup from Google Drive, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, go with your settings. Under settings, you need to go with chats, and under chats, you need to go with backup. You'll have a backup option. You need to tap on backup and then turn on your chat backup. Make sure that you've included videos, photos. After that, you need to go to your Google Drive and log into your account. Click on the three lines on the top left corner of your screen and you'll find backups. Click on it. If you have backed up your WhatsApp, it will show here. As you can see that in my case, I have a backup, which is the last backup was it for April, and you need to tap on it. It says that your chats and media, including your photos, videos, audios, and documents, are backed on your Google Drive. If you change devices, you can restore them when you reinstall your WhatsApp. So from here, you'll be able to restore your deleted WhatsApp backup from your Google Drive. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.